Morning children, welcome back to the social session. Children, we learnt about the struggle for equality by few famous leaders like B.R. Ambedkar and Om Prakash Valmiki, a famous writer. So today we shall learn if there had caste system been there, so what would have been the consequences and how we were striving for equality we shall try to understand. The story which we have learnt yesterday or which we have shared yesterday, the Om Prakash Valmiki story of sweeping the entire school for few days, where he was made to sit at the threshold of the classroom and he was not allowed to drink water also. So this shows all the discrimination which was present in the society in those days. अब वैसा है क्या क्लासरूम में उसको अलग बिठाना इसको अलग बिठाना? Is there any such kind of inequality shown among the students today in the schools? No, everybody is treated equal. So it was an effort of many great leaders for equality, and today we are enjoying the fruits of that equality. So no, there was a time when there was no caste system. There was no time. There was a time we saw the lives of hunter-gatherers and tribals during the early human life. There were no caste system. They did not have any kind of caste system followed in those days. Some aspects of the caste system emerged in the times of Vedas, in which there were four major castes were there. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras were there, are mentioned. Later on, many new aspects have been added to this caste system. पहले वेदास के टाइम पे जो फोर वर्णास था वो ब्राह्मण क्लास, क्षत्रिय क्लास, वैश्य और शूद्रास था. उसके बाद में मेनी न्यू थिंग्स, न्यू सब डिविजन्स जो है उसमें आया था. एंड मेनी न्यू एस्पेक्ट्स लाइक अनटचेबिलिटी, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन द मैरिज, ईटिंग, these all things have come later into the caste system. And it was said that the lower caste should serve and obey the higher classes. And these ideas spread all over India, including Telangana, in the times of the kingdoms which we have studied in chapter 11 and 12. That means during the period of new kings and kingdoms, during the period of Kakatiyas only, this all spread all over the country. So as these ideas spread, many people criticized them. Thinkers like Buddha, Mahavira and even Ramanuja, Basva, Kabir Das and Vemana, these all people have criticized the caste system in Hinduism. And the idea of some people being superior to others by birth is not at all accepted by these people. They felt that all people are born equally, and by the profession and by the birth you cannot decide who is superior and who is inferior. Superior बोले तो बड़ा, inferior बोले तो नीचे. अगर उसके बर्थ के साथ ही वो बड़ा ये नीचे बोल के डिसाइड करने का जो अधिकार था, that is all criticized by these famous people like Buddha has criticized, Mahavira. Buddha is a founder of Buddhism. Gautama Buddha I am talking about. Mahavira is a founder of Jainism. And Kabir Das and Vemana, these all famous people, and even Basva also criticized the caste system in Hinduism. And they can perform good deeds and attain salvation. We shall read about them in the greater detail in the later chapters, how these people born in the higher caste can perform for the salvation. So we have read about the establishment of British rule and the beginning of the struggle against it. Now the struggle for the freedom from British rule also included within it the struggle for the larger group of the people for equality. नेशनल मूवमेंट एक तरफ चल रहा था ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ, और एक जो है विद इन द कंट्री इक्वालिटी के वजह से, इक्वालिटी के लिए चले एक एजिटेशन था. सो दे वर फाइटिंग फॉर इक्वालिटी वन साइड एंड दे वर आल्सो फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट टू द ब्रिटिशर. सो they but also fought to be treated more equally. Dalits, women, tribals and peasants fought against the inequalities they have experienced in their life. Not only the Dalit or the lower caste people, even the women in the society, these women play very important role in the national movement. They also played very important role in the movement for the Dalits. So Dalit means, Dalit बोले तो कौन है? दलित. दलित बोले तो लोअर कास्ट पीपल को दलित बोलते हैं, एससीज को. शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट जो है उन लोगों को दलित्स बोलते हैं. ट्राइबल्स को आदिवासी भी बोलते हैं और उसको एसटीज भी बोलते हैं. एसटी शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स बोलते हैं उसको. So it was in the 19th and 20th centuries that several social reforms have been introduced, and a new social system based on the freedom, equality, liberty, brotherhood, human dignity and economic justice have been come into struggle. So they include the people who fought for these include Savitri Bai Phule or Jyotirao Govindrao Phule and Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar and Sri Narayan Guru, Ayyankali. These are the famous people who fought against to the inequalities in the society, and they fought for the social reforms based upon the brotherlyhood, equality and freedom and the human dignity. On these basis they fought for the equality. So during the colonial period in Telangana too, social mobilization emerged on the basis of the caste system. Some of the important people who were involved in it, who fought for the equality, were P. Venkataswamy, Ishwari Bai, and even T. N. Sadalakshmi, E.C. Ethirajan, Arige Ramaswamy, M. Venkataswamy, B. S. Venkatrao. So we shall see about B. S. Venkatrao, who fought for equality and against to the caste system in our region also in the next class, children. Till then, take care. Thank you.